Hi friends, you're back with me, your friend for biology, Professor Kukreja. So today we'll be talking about the arrangement of floral whorls, right? So we saw that typical flower, it comprises of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium, right? तुम्हाला आठवतंय एक टिपिकल एंजियोस्पर्मिक फ्लावर मध्ये हे चारही वर्ल्स होते है ना, उसमें एंड्रोशियम था, गाइनेशियम था, कैलिक्स था, करोला था, और you also remember that the members of the calyx, they were called as the sepals, right? And the members of the corolla, they were called as the petals, right? तर हे सगळे अरेंज्ड कसे आहेत, राइट? हाउ दीज पर्टिकुलर फ्लोरल वर्ल्स दे आर अरेंज्ड, राइट? ये सारे फ्लोरल वर्ल्स एक दूसरे के रिलेशन में कैसे अरेंज्ड है विद द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सेम फ्लोरल वर्ल. Yeah, so that is what is called as aestivation. So here we go. The mode of arrangement of the sepals or petals in the floral bud with respect to the other members of the same whorl. So like if we're talking about one sepal, then there is another sepal and another sepal and another sepal, right? So how the sepals they are arranged? हे sepals एकमेकांच्या रिलेशन मध्ये कसे arranged आहेत? ये पेटल्स एक दूसरे के रिलेशन में कैसे अरेंज्ड है? तो ये सेपल्स और पेटल्स की अरेंजमेंट एक दूसरे के रिलेशन में, that is what is called as aestivation. So there are four basic types of aestivation, right? So the first one is what is called as valvate. So here you have to remember the names and the examples, so be alert, right? So in valvate aestivation, right, the what you call as one particular petal or sepal, the margins of these particular sepals or petals, they just touch one another. So here you can see that they are just touching one another without overlapping. So they are touching one another, एकमेकांना फक्त असे टच करतात. हा एक सेपल, दूसरा एक सेपल, तीसरा एक सेपल. So they are just touching one another. They are not overlapping it. ओव्हरलॅप न होता एकमेकांना फक्त टच करत करत जे एक एस्टिवेशन तैयार होते, दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज द वाल्वेट. ऐसी एस्टिवेशन को हम क्या बोलेंगे? वाल्वेट. जहां पे ये सेपल्स और पेटल्स, सेपल पेटल नहीं, सेपल सेपल या पेटल पेटल, मेंबर ऑफ द सेम वर्ल लेना है. So where they are touching each other without overlapping, that is what is called as valvate. So you'll find this in Calotropis, right? So Calotropis rui. Okay. So then talking about another estivation, that is twisted. नाम में ही है twist. वो उधर आप डांस करते हैं twist, वैसे नहीं, हम बस थोड़ा वैसे ही कि where these particular sepals or each appendage which is there, it is overlapping the next the one, right? And so on. So there is one particular sepal, it is overlapping the next one. There is another, it is overlapping the next one. So one is overlapping the other is overlapping the other is overlapping the other. तो आप एक अगर सेपल देखेंगे तो एक उसका साइड अंदर है, एक साइड बाहर है. सो वन इज ओवरलैपिंग, अदर इज ओवरलैप्ड. तो ऐसा जो अरेंजमेंट है, दैट इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्विस्टेड, where each member is overlapping the next one. That is what is called as twisted. ये आपको ये लेडीज की उंगलियों में मिल जाएगा. Oh sorry, so this you will find in ladies finger, you will find them in cotton, you will find them in China rose. So China rose, cotton and a lady's finger has this twisted, what you call as estivation. Then you have another estivation where the margins are overlapping, but not in a particular direction. मतलब मार्जिन ओव्हरलॅप तो हो रहे, तो कुछ वर्ल्स अगर आप देखेंगे तो काहींचे काही एक आतमध्ये एक बाहेर आहे, बट काही असे आहेत की दोन्ही आतमध्ये आहेत, काही असे आहेत की दोन्ही बाहेर आहेत. सो इट मे बी लाईक not in a particular direction. So they are overlapping but not in a particular direction. Then that is what is called as imbricate. You'll find them in cassia and gulmohar. So in cassia and gulmohar you'll find that there is this imbricate estivation. Then you have another estivation, like you look at a pea plant or you look at beans, right? So in pea and beans they have this papilionaceous what you call as flower. So this papilionaceous has 5 petals. So you have one large which is called as the standard. So you have one large that is called as the standard, which is overlapping the 2 lateral what you call as petals which are called as the wings. And this in turn is overlapping the 2 smallest anterior ones which are called as the keel. So one standard, 2 wings, and then 2 keels. Then that is what is called as vexillary estivation. In pea and beans you have this vexillary or papilionaceous estivation. So stay tuned with me, Professor Kukreja, for more in biology. Thank you.